And here with the handles upright, it comes with a bell. How to turn on and off. So on the left, there's a switch. There's actually a physical switch. Off, on. Has a light battery indicator on the right, and you can turn on the lights, headlights with this switch. Hold it down for a few seconds. And you have this bright, nice headlamp. And in the rear, they do give you a LED rear brake flasher, not brake light. You can have it flashing in different speed and solid red. So that comes with the bike. The seat does have some springs, very soft. Here's with the seat on and the stem up, the handlebars up. 14-inch wheels, very comfortable. The battery is right here, and you can see how they clean up the wire. Very nice. To charge it, just plug it in and let it sit for a few hours. It's fully charged in just a few hours. You can go up to 30 miles or more on this bike at speed of 15 plus miles per hour. So if you're interested in this bike, check them out. DYU, link in the description.